Welcome, let's describe this school scene. The students are playing on the slide. Some children are walking to school. Two girls are talking to each other. A boy and a girl are reading a book. Some students are standing in front of the school. The teacher is coming out of the classroom. A dog is sitting on the ground. The flowers are blooming in the garden. The national flag is flying in the air. Some students are carrying school bags. The children are smiling happily. Two friends are holding hands. The school building looks beautiful. The trees are giving shade. The playground is full of students. প্রিয় বন্ধুরা, এবার আমরা ভিডিও পজ করে এই স্কুলের বর্ণনাটুকু একবার পড়ে নিই। ধন্যবাদ।